Sorry I've been silent for a while. I've had to deal with some personal matters. With that out of the way for the time being, I can start making videos again. This time, we'll be addressing Eric Dubay's short video series where he continuously fails to address even the weakest arguments against a flat Earth.
Another common question posed by globe earthers is, if the Earth is flat, then why are all the other planets round? Most flat earthers would agree that the Earth is round like a coin, just not round like a ball.
This is semantics. Nobody who genuinely thinks the Earth is flat says that the Earth is round like a coin. They say the Earth is flat like a coin. Anytime anyone says that the Earth is round, they mean it the way globe defenders do. Stop being so petty.
When making this argument online, globe earthers will often present a picture of the traditional heliocentric model with 8 spherical planets and a flat Earth among them floating in space. This entire concept is a straw man, however, as no flat earthers believe in a flat planet floating in space third from the sun in a heliocentric solar system.
Correct, and that's why seasoned flat Earth debunkers almost never use this argument. We know the extent to which you deny reality.
In NASA's many CGI depictions, the planets do indeed appear spherical, but when looking at them for yourself through a telescope or super zoom camera, it is certainly contestable whether or not the planets are spherical.
Not at all. Flat Earthers simply don't understand how to focus cameras and telescopes. Look online. People like Movie Vertigo have tutorials on how to focus them, and Reds Rhetoric and Thunderfoot have taken detailed photos of planets. Their photos match the supposedly fake NASA photos, just with less detail. That's perfectly understandable, considering that NASA's telescopes are hundreds of times better. The planets are physical and spheroidal. Period.
Ultimately, however, it is completely irrelevant what shape the other planets are when looking to prove the shape of the Earth.
Once again, this isn't an argument often used by seasoned debunkers, but it is still relevant to the shape of the Earth. The reason why the planets are round is because of gravity, pulling the bodies into a spheroidal shape. Earth is easily of comparable mass to these planets, especially if we take the stuff you say in Level 2 seriously, such as the silly idea that Earth extends far beyond Antarctica. The same should apply to Earth then, with gravity forcing it into a spheroidal shape. So, yes, pointing out that the planets we see in the night sky are round is a valid argument that the Earth is as well. As we've seen, possibly the single weakest argument for the Earth being round is still a valid one, and even the best minds Flat Earth has to offer still can't come up with sound refutations of them. With that, I'm done here for now. See you next time.